I'm Karen. I'm 28 years old and I have a YouTube channel since 5 years where I teach, sewers, women sewers, how they can fit the clothes to their body. So they sew their own clothes, but these clothes doesn't really fit to them. And I helped them to do that by making videos on YouTube before I enrolled to the AA program. So I had my YouTube channel. I had, I think, 12,000 subscribers at that time. And I had small video courses and I sold them for like 30 euros. 100 euros was the highest price, and I struggled a lot because I had to sell so much of them to had only a little bit of money left. And it doesn't really work. So I had a lot of subscribers, a lot of viewers. All of them loved my content and trusted me, but I couldn't make a living out of it. I enrolled to the program and then I had a straight line to follow. I think that was the most helpful. So I just did all of the steps in this order I should do them. And I don't know, every step was so helpful. Before I enrolled, I thought I knew my customers. I knew what they want, I knew what they need. But with continuing the program, I realized that that there was a big part, important part missing, and I don't know how that happened. So I just followed the steps, and then it was like all of my goals. I achieved all of the goals, and I felt very calm and peaceful and relaxed during the program. So before that, I struggled, and after it, I just knew what to do. So it was kind of easy, and I felt supported. And it was incredible. The results were incredible. The results I achieved were, at the beginning, I did like, I don't know, 100 interviews with my followers, which was incredible what I learned about them. I never thought that I can go so deep and get to know so much about them. Then in the first pop launch, so the course didn't exist at that time. I think 50 to 60 sales calls, and I enrolled 21 clients. So I made it 36K. Yes, it was incredible. So the sales files were 6 weeks, 7 weeks, and it was great. I didn't ever thought about making that much money out of my what I love to do. So I just followed doing what I love. So that was incredible. Then the next result was all of them which enrolled were happy. So I just focused so much on deliver the program and just do them just to make them happy. And it worked. So they're still in the program, and they're still I did testimonials with them now, and then I did the SOP launch, and now I have, I think, about 50K in the SOP since now, and it's just a few months, 2-3 months now. So what should I? It's crazy. If someone considering to invest in the AA program, I would say that it's all about trusting in the progress. There's so much to learn, and I think there were some points where I choose another way than than Sunny and the team recommend, and I always came back and recognized that they're right, and I have a lot of trust in the team, and I know why, and I'm there since 1 year now, and I think there's so much to learn, especially in the sales progress, and it's just it works. So the program works, and you can try to do it on your own. So I watched Sunny's videos, free content videos on YouTube since years, I guess, and I also got results from that. but it's so much easier when you have the structure and the plan and you can get feedback. Yeah, it's a different thing. Yeah.